Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SATO token. You could pronounce it SATO I guess too as well, but this token is on the BASECHAIN, trending number 2 right now in the base section on DEX Screener. Very popular token. I saw it trending yesterday too, I believe. $2 million market cap and fully diluted valuation. Tons of transactions today. We're going to go over the information on SATO the dog token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their webpage at SATOthedog.com. Over there you can find tons of socials. They have Medium articles, so you can check out all sorts of Medium articles. They have a Discord, Instagram, TikTok. They have a Twitter. You can have check out all sorts of chart sites on here. They have CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX Tools, and DEX Screener linked all at the bottom of the web page. At the top of the screen, you'll find a section that says Find SATO. There's also NFTs, staking, a DAO section, a decentralized autonomous organization where there's governance, art, OpenSea NFT collection, and frequently asked questions. So tons of links, tons of info on the web page there, so check that out there, SATOthedog.com. Now this token is up 10.16% today. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $425,000 today, 30,193 transactions, 201,612 holders, 2 different liquidity providers for Uniswap, and right now there is a pool of $112,000 in Uniswap, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So if you are looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet. They actually have a link to a Coinbase wallet download on their webpage, but you could also use a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet. You could download any wallet like that from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, and then go into the dApps and find Uniswap, or just go right to their webpage and find Uniswap. They have a link to that. Then using the contract address you can find right on their webpage, SATOthedog.com, you would then trade your base for this token. It is that easy. So SATO the dog is inspired by Coinbase's co-founder Brian Armstrong's pet cat TOSHI, named after the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. You can't have TOSHI without SATO. Makes sense? Now, it says here 0% buy and sell tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you don't have to worry about slippage, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now it says, NFT SATOS isn't just a new collection. It's a complete overhaul designed to offer more engaging and visually appealing experiences. The collection will consist of 5,000 unique NFTs, each carefully crafted to embody the spirit of SATO the dog. Whether you're an OG holder of TOSHI or new to the SATO community, NFT SATOS offers something special for everyone. Now they have the SATO swag officially on OpenSea. The original NFT SATOS collection is available to mint on OpenSea.io, and you can get yours now, and there's a link to the webpage there. They also show you tons of artwork and pictures of what the NFTs look like, some of the meme pictures in the collection there. So it says there's on-chain positivity, and there's a whole section of meme type pictures that you can copy paste, save them to your phone, add words to them if you want, and then you share them on your social medias if you like. And that's kind of a way that meme coins have community shilling, where the community members or holders share the project to help shill out the token. Grassroots marketing, basically. So the face of Base. What is SATO? It's inspired by the mascot of Base, the cat. On Base, the Ethereum-aligned Layer 2 blockchain created by Coinbase, SATO aims to become the face of Base. That's like Ace of Base. And leading figure in the burgeoning Base ecosystem. Why isn't there a token named after that band Ace of Base on the Base blockchain? Somebody make that. Leveraging a robust meme culture and an expanding community, SATO strives to be the premier meme coin on Base, drawing in the masses with its significant utility and industry-recognized brand to onboard billions on-chain. So, the NFTs, we went over that already. The DAO. What does SATO, why does SATO have the Woof DAO? Well, SATO is a project driven by its community, always seeking its members' input on key decisions. The Woof DAO embodies SATO community members to influence important decisions by voting with their tokens. Each token represents one vote. The approach embodies the essence of a community-led project. Base is for everyone. Start building on-chain with the Blue Dog, only on Base. Now you can find a TikTok, Instagram, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, all linked on their webpage. If you want to join the Telegram, it is at SATO Base. Real easy to find that. No Toshi without SATO. Miss Toshi? Never mind, now you have SATO. Together we are Satoshi. Now, they have 260 subscribers on the Telegram so far, so you could join that if you like for updates, and same with your X that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here at SATO on Base. So check out the Twitter as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So why don't you guys tell me in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.